If your website has sign in with Google and you want to have native Google sign-in feature in your app, then this video is just for you. In this video, we will guide you through how to add native Google sign-in feature in your app using Appilix. To enable native Google sign-in, navigate to the Integration Modules page and enable the Google Sign-in module. Then navigate to the Google Sign-in page. Here you will have to enter your client ID for Android app and other optional informations. For those information, open your Google Cloud Console, make sure you have selected the projects which you are already using in your website for Google Sign-in. Now you will need a client ID of Android app. Let's create a new credential and choose Oath Client ID. Then choose your application type. As I'm creating an Android app, so choosing application type as Android. Next, you can enter any name or keep it as default. Next, you will need package name and SHA-1 fingerprint, which you can find in Appilix. Let's quickly copy and paste them. Now click the Create button. Let's now copy the client ID and paste into Appilix. Other fields are optional, as the app will try itself to fetch them from your website. Still, if you want, you can add your client ID, which is used in your website for Google Sign-in. An example, this Oath credential is used in our website for Google Sign-in. I'm copying it and pasting into Appilix. Another thing is a logout. An example, if users sign out in your website, the native Google sign-in will not automatically understand that. So to make it understandable, you can add the URL or part of the URL of your website, which is for logging out a user. An example, in our website, the log URL has a text logout. We are adding this so that when a URL with that text loads in the app, the native Google sign-in can understand that the user is logging out, and thus it can also log out the user from app. Let's now save the changes and quickly rebuild the app. Our app building is completed, and also we have installed the app in your Android device. Let's test how the integration works. As you can see here, app users can see the accounts automatically in the app while trying to sign in using Google. They can just click on the account and the login will be done. Let's also test if logging out and relogging works or not. Perfect. Please keep in mind that once you publish the app to Google Play Store, you should use the SHA-1 code provided from your Play Console in your Google Cloud Console. So this was the easiest way to add native Google sign-in feature in your app, and still, if you face any issues, our team will be always there for you.